Originally known as Katherine Airfield during World War II, the site was renamed Tindal after Wing Commander Archie Tindal, who was the first RAAF casualty on mainland Australia during the initial raid by the Japanese on Darwin in 1942. On 30 September 1988, the first 5 FA-18A Hornet aircraft arrived in Tindal, and the base became operational the next day, on 1 October 1988, when No. 75 Squadron established Tindal as home. RAAF Base Tindal was officially opened on 31 March 1989 by then Prime Minister Bob Hawke, and remains one of Australia's youngest Air Force bases. It is also one of the nation's most strategically important bases. The base is supported by 17 Squadron, previously Base Squadron Tindal, which formed in June 1988, then later by 322 Combat Support Squadron. Since, RAAF Base Tindal has welcomed many lodger detachments from combat, surveillance and joint groups in support of fast jet operations and exercises. Personnel from RAAF Base Tindal are considered highly deployable and have served on humanitarian aid and disaster relief operations within Australia and around the world. Tindal personnel have also been deployed on warlike operations overseas. RAAF Tindal is an exercise location of choice. One of the largest exercises is Exercise Pitch Black, which is held every 2 years and continues the strong relationship Australia has with its international partner nations and reinforces regional security, fostering closer ties throughout the Asia-Pacific region. RAAF Base Tindal is an important part of the Katherine community, with the base population making every effort to interact with schools, councils, emergency services and community organisations. A $1.1 billion base redevelopment is planned. It will ensure RAAF Base Tindal will maintain the future security of Australia's north.